Are you ready to boost your financial success? Many times we search for that magic formula, that secret ingredient to unlock financial abundance. But what if I told you the key lies within? We're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery, a journey that goes beyond spreadsheets and interest rates, a journey into the heart of emotional intelligence. Discover the 5 emotional intelligence strategies that can transform your financial life. Because true financial success starts from within. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and unlock a future filled with financial freedom and peace of mind. Let's begin. Hello, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving deep into the core of what makes us financially intelligent, and it starts with self-awareness. It's about taking a long, hard look in the mirror and being honest about our relationship with money. What are our beliefs about money? Where did those beliefs come from? Did we inherit them from our families, our childhood experiences? You see, our beliefs shape our thoughts shape our actions, and our actions determine our financial reality. So if we're operating from a place of scarcity, of fear, of never enough, we're likely to make financial decisions that reflect that. But here's the empowering truth. Once we become aware of those subconscious beliefs, we can start to challenge them. We can start to reframe them. Remember that time you talked yourself out of a great investment because you didn't think you were good with money? That was your subconscious belief system at play. But imagine this. You, fully aware of your financial strengths, confidently taking calculated risks, making sound investments, and attracting abundance into your life. That's the power of self-awareness. It's about understanding your financial triggers, your spending habits, your comfort zones. It's about recognizing those moments when fear might be clouding your judgment or when excitement might be leading you to impulse purchases. Remember, self-awareness is not about judgment. It's about understanding. It's about giving ourselves grace as we learn and grow on this journey to financial freedom. So let's start by asking ourselves, what is one small step we can take today to become more financially self-aware? Write it down, share it with a friend, and hold yourself accountable. Because the journey to financial mastery begins with knowing yourself. Welcome back, my friends. Today we're talking about the incredible power of self-regulation in our financial lives. Think of it as that inner voice, that wise friend within that helps us to pause, to breathe, and to make conscious, intentional decisions about our money, especially when the stakes are high. We've all been there, right? That tempting sale, that impulse buy, that feeling of I need it now. That's our emotions talking. And while emotions are a beautiful part of who we are, they're not always the best financial advisors. Self-regulation is about recognizing those emotional triggers and creating space between the feeling and the action. It's about having the courage to say, you know what? I'm feeling anxious about this investment, so I'm going to sleep on it before making a decision. Or I'm feeling pressured to keep up with my friends' spending habits, but I'm committed to my own financial goals. It's about having the discipline to stick to our budgets, even when temptation calls. It's about delaying gratification and understanding that the true reward comes from building a secure and abundant future. Imagine this. You're at the checkout line, credit card in hand, about to make an impulsive purchase. But then you pause, you take a deep breath, and you ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just trying to fill an emotional void? That, my friends, is self-regulation in action. It's about making choices that align with our long-term vision, not our fleeting emotions. So, how do we cultivate this incredible skill of self-regulation? It starts with self-awareness. Once we understand our emotional triggers, we can start to develop healthy coping mechanisms. Maybe it's taking a walk in nature, journaling, meditating, or calling a trusted friend. The key is to find what works for you and to practice it consistently. Remember, financial freedom is not just about how much money we make, but how well we manage our emotions around money. Welcome back. Today we're talking about a powerful force that can make all the difference in our financial lives. Motivation. It's that inner spark, that burning desire that keeps us going even when the going gets tough. Because let's face it, the journey to financial freedom isn't always easy. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, there will be moments when we want to give up. But it's in those moments that we need to tap into our why. Why is financial freedom important to us? Is it about creating a better future for our families? Is it about having the freedom to pursue our passions? Is it about making a difference in the world? When we connect with our why, when we can visualize the life we're working towards, it fuels our motivation and gives us the strength to keep going. So, how do we stay motivated on this journey? It starts with setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. Break down your big, audacious goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with a supportive community, people who believe in your dreams and who will cheer you on every step of the way. Remember, motivation is not something we find, it's something we cultivate. It's a choice we make every single day. So how will you choose to stay motivated today? What small step can you take to move closer to your financial goals? Write it down, share it with a friend, and hold yourself accountable, because when we're motivated, anything is possible. Hello, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: empathy. You might be thinking, empathy? What does that have to do with my finances? Well, my friends, empathy is more than just a feeling. It's a superpower. It's about understanding and sharing the feelings of others, even when they're different from our own. And in the world of finance, this ability to connect with others on a deeper level is crucial. Think about it. Whether you're negotiating a salary, asking for a loan, or even just having a conversation about money with your partner, empathy can make all the difference. When we approach these conversations with empathy, we're not just focused on our own needs, we're also considering the other person's perspective. We're listening to understand, not just to respond. We're seeking to find common ground and to build mutually beneficial relationships. Imagine this: you're in a negotiation, and instead of seeing it as a battle, you see it as an opportunity to collaborate, to find a solution that works for everyone involved. That's the power of empathy. It allows us to build trust, to foster connection, and to create win-win situations. So how can we cultivate more empathy in our financial lives? It starts with listening, really listening to the people around us. Ask questions, seek to understand their perspectives, and try to see the world through their eyes. Remember, empathy is not about agreeing with everyone, it's about seeking to understand. And when we approach our financial interactions with empathy, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Welcome back. Today we're talking about the power of social skills in building a solid financial future. Now you might be wondering, social skills and finances, how are they connected? Well, my friends, in a world that thrives on connections, strong social skills are essential for creating opportunities, building trust, and fostering long-lasting relationships that can positively impact our financial well-being. Think about it. Networking events, collaborations, even casual conversations can lead to unexpected opportunities. It's about building genuine connections, nurturing those relationships, and being open to giving and receiving support. Imagine this. You're at a conference and you strike up a conversation with someone who ends up being a potential investor or mentor. Or you mention a financial goal to a friend and they connect you with someone who can help you achieve it. These serendipitous encounters often stem from strong social skills and a willingness to connect with others. It's not just about what you know, but who you know and how you make them feel. So how can we sharpen our social skills for greater financial success? It starts with being approachable, being a good listener, and showing genuine interest in others. Attend industry events, engage in online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Remember, building strong relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards, both financially and personally, are immeasurable. Congratulations! You've taken a powerful step towards understanding how emotional intelligence can transform your relationship with money. By developing your emotional intelligence, you can significantly boost your financial success. Remember, true wealth is not just about the numbers in your bank account, but about the richness of your life, your relationships, and your impact on the world. Start applying these 5 strategies today. Begin with self-awareness. Cultivate self-regulation, fuel your motivation, embrace empathy, and nurture your social skills. These are not just financial strategies, but life strategies that can lead to greater fulfillment in all areas. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on financial success and emotional intelligence. And to help you get started on your journey, we're offering a free ebook packed with practical tips and exercises. Download our free ebook to get started on your journey. You deserve financial freedom, you deserve abundance, and you have the power within you to achieve it.